Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Armed Forces Medical College, Pune.
Dear parents and commissioned officers of the B3 batch, it is my proud privilege as Dean and Deputy Commandant of the prestigious Armed Forces Medical College speaking to you today. At the outset, I bring you greetings from faculty and family members of the Armed Forces Medical College. I thought it was prudent for me to speak to you before we actually bring to you the wonderful commissioning ceremony recording which we did while you got commissioned on the 19th of March into the Armed Forces Medical Services after completing your MBBS course. Dear parents, it was a very painful decision for all of us in this organization to prevent you from physically coming and witnessing your wards getting commissioned. I would like to place on record that I'm sure after this pandemic has taken its full-blown toll in the country and in the world, you would agree to us that we decided and prevented you all from traveling from all over the country to come into the college and witness this ceremony in real time. Primarily, it was for your safety and for the safety of everyone present on the college campus. We would like to bring forth the complete commissioning ceremony in the next 1 to 1.5 hours of recording which has been done to bring out in real time what your wards underwent in terms of getting transformed from medical students into commissioned officers of the Armed Forces Medical Services. So I would urge you to sit back, relax, and savor the wonderful moments which we present to you in real time as part of the commissioning ceremony movie for the year 2020. Thank you and Jai Hind.
A fortnight before I walk into the sunset after almost 4 decades of a soul-enriching journey of soldiering and healing. To quote William Shakespeare, this above all to thine own self be true, it must follow as night and the day. Thou cannot be him false to any man. Unquote.
देवियों और सज्जनों, सुप्रभात। मैं मेडिकल कैडेट पीयूष यादव,
मैं मेडिकल कैडेट जागृति मोखे
और मैं मेडिकल कैडेट प्रतीक सिंह,
लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल नरदीप नैथानी, निर्देशक एवं संदेशक सशस्त्र सेना चिकित्सा महाविद्यालय की ओर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं।
We consider it an honor to be taking you through this commissioning ceremony today. The first commissioning ceremony was held in 1982 for the Q batch. From its inception here at this very ground, which was then just a part of the Kitchener's ground 37 years ago, it has evolved to its present grandeur.
and today at the Captain Devashish Sharma Kirti Chakra Parade Ground, we shall be privileged enough to witness this spectacular ceremony that forms the most important event of the Armed Forces Medical College calendar with the commissioning of the P3 batch.
Now, let us acquaint you with the officers responsible for today's ceremony. The director of today's commissioning ceremony is Brigadier Girish K, Brigadier in charge, Administration Graduate Wing. The officer in charge of the ceremony is Colonel R.N. Khan, Reader, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, and the assistant officer in charge is Lieutenant Colonel Rajesh Sahu. And now, let us focus on the badge being commissioned today. Pre-Arius the Game Changers. The P3 badge, one of the most gifted badges ever to walk through the gates of this institution. The P3 badge has since their arrival at Armed Forces Medical College excelled in every field, be it academics, sports, culturals, literary or fine arts, proof of which is the victory of the Commandant's Trophy. With a whopping total of 62 distinctions in the final MBBS, the P3 badge has truly amazed us all. We now draw your attention to the center of the parade ground. Marching into the parade ground are today's pilots, Medical Cadet Akshita Srivastava and Medical Cadet Vasundhara Mishra, escorting the parade commander, Medical Cadet Akhil Matthew.
The duty of the pilots is to ensure that the dignitaries are unerringly conducted through the ceremony.
पायलट्स वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों को सम्मान देने के अलावा उनके अंगरक्षक होने का भी कार्य करते हैं.
The first pilot is Medical Cadet Akshita Srivastava. She holds distinctions in 4 subjects and has been awarded the Best Outgoing Female Cadet and the Best Triathlete in the College Week of 2019, and is also a member of Rackets, Aquatics and Athletics clubs, besides having college colors in dance.
Medical Cadet Vasundhara Mishra is the second pilot. She is an outstanding student and holds distinctions in 4 subjects. She is an enthusiastic marathon runner and an active member of Dramatics Club. She has walked the ramps for Panache in Silhouettes 2017.
देवियों और सज्जनों, निरीक्षित लाइन पे मार्च करते हुए आ रहे हैं आज के राइट मार्कर्स. मार्कर्स अपनी कंपनी का स्थान तय करते हैं. कंपनी को अनुशासित रखने की जिम्मेदारी मार्कर्स की होती है.
Marker for Company 4, Medical Cadet Prabhat Arora.
Marker for Company 3, Medical Cadet Rishabh Arora.
Marker for Company 2, Medical Cadet Jones Anthony.
Marker for Company 1, Medical Cadet Rohan Kumar Sharma.
अब परेड कमांडर कंपनीज को परेड ग्राउंड के अंदर मार्च करने का आदेश देंगे.
Ladies and gentlemen, marching proudly and smartly into the parade ground to the tune of Desho Ke Sartaj Bharat are the medical cadets of the P3 badge.
Leading Company 1 is Medical Cadet Neerav Singh Tanwar. He has college colors in football and has represented the college at MUHS in athletics. He is a seasoned debater and a member of the Adventure Club.
Leading Company 4 is Medical Cadet Saurav Roy. With distinctions in 4 subjects, he was the college cadet captain for the year 2018-19 and holds college blues in basketball.
Leading Company 2 is Medical Cadet Anubhuti Srivastava. She holds distinctions in 5 subjects. She is an elegant dancer and has the captain of Aquatics Club.
Leading Company 3 is Medical Cadet Ankur Sharma. One of the most enthusiastic members of the cycling club, he is also an integral part of the computer, adventure and cricket clubs.
I am not brave! आगे बढ़ेगा दायरे में पहुंच I am not brave! I have not read such tyrant, such I have not read Samaritan. I have not read Wisdom.
Carrying with you is the parade commander today, medical cadet Atmanandi, and the reserve parade commander is medical cadet Aravali Victoria. Medical cadet Atmanandi is one of the finest all-rounders Armed Forces Medical College has ever seen. A talented Bollywood player and an exemplary artist, he has also walked around for national an excellent leader. He presently has the responsibility of the parade commander of the military batch, as always very talented. बेटियों और सज्जनों, आज के सवाल के लिए 5 मिनट चिकित्सकों के सेवक कौन इस सेलिब्रेशन में दुनिया को प्राप्त होता है सबसे अब प्रतीक्षा करते हैं आज के वरिष्ठ अधिकारी।
Ladies and gentlemen, we now await the arrival of the delegation. The sequence of their arrival is Senior Deputy Commandant, the Director Commandant, followed by the Director General Medical Services Army. Presented to the next period for their arrival. We are also requested to switch off your appointment of the Major General Rajendra Gupta wishes Sevaman assume the appointment of Senior Deputy Commandant of the Armed Forces Medical May 2019. He is the address of this very college from the Army batch of 1979. He was commissioned into the Army Medical Corps in December 1982. He has done his post-graduation in microbiology from the Armed Forces Medical College in 1990, having took first in Pune University and completed his PhD in biology from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi in 2004. The officer has been awarded the prestigious Fogarty International Fellowship for HIV/AIDS training in the year 2001 and the Fellowship of Henry and Sharon Foundation for the Advancement of Military Medicine in 2004. The General Officer has a vast professional and teaching experience of more than 21 years and has had the honor of serving as teaching faculty in the Department of Microbiology at Armed Forces Medical College and Army Hospital Research and Research. He has been a research guide to a large number of postgraduate students and is a recognized field leader, examiner and MPI in medicine. The officer has authored a large number of publications and chapters in various textbooks. His special areas of research include retrovirology, molecular epidemiology, and application of molecular diagnostic techniques to clinical infectious disease diagnosis. The General Officer is a thorough professional and an able administrator. He has the distinction of having been nominated for the National Defence College in the year 2013. For his dedication and committed service, he has been awarded the Chief of Army Staff Commendation twice. He was awarded the Vishesh Seva Medal by the President of India in 2016.
I have not
Ladies and gentlemen, the Deputy Commandant.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now await the arrival of the Lieutenant Commandant Armed Forces Medical College, Lieutenant General Rajiv Nathani.
Lieutenant General Rajiv Nathani against the appointment of Director Commandant, Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, on 1st December 2019, graduates by this appointment to serve as MG Medical, Headquarters Central Command, guiding the medical care of Army Medical Care for the Southern States.
I am not blood! Stop that!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Lieutenant Commandant.
I am not blood! Get up there now! Get it low! Get up!
We now await the arrival of Director General Medical Services, Army.
Along with the arrival of reviewing officer, there will be a flypast by Chetak helicopters of 141 Survival Security Support Unit Jamnagar, being led from the front by Squadron Leader Pankaj Borkar, along with Flight Lieutenant Anshul Jain.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General R.S. Grewal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, President's Honorary Surgeon, Director General Medical Services Army, graduated from Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, and was commissioned in Armed Forces Medical Services in the year 1981. He is a postgraduate in dermatology from Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, and stood first in the Advanced Specialist course of dermatology in the year 1990. He also did his Master's Diploma in Hospital Management in the year 2011. The General Officer has assumed the appointment of Director General Medical Services Army and Director General Medical Services Air in the year 2019. The General Officer was conferred with the prestigious Ati Vishish Seva Medal on 26 January 2019 by the Honorable President of India. He was also awarded the Vishish Seva Medal on 26 January 2004, the Chief of Army Staff Commendation twice in the year 1999 and 2012, and General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Commendation Eastern and Western Command in the year 1998 and 2003 for his outstanding and meritorious service. For his ability to perform with distinction in diverse fields, he is appointed as President's Honorary Surgeon. During his 38 years of service, he has held various important administrative, staff, and instructional appointments like DG, Organization and Personnel, Armed Forces Medical Services, MG Medical, Headquarters Eastern Command, Commandant, Armed Forces Medical College, Southern Command. The General Officer has held prestigious appointments as Additional Director General, Equipment and Stores, and Deputy Director General, Armed Forces Medical Services at the Ministry of Defense. He has also performed the duties of National Vice President, Indian Association of Dermatologists, Professor, Senior Advisor, and Head of Department of Dermatology at Armed Forces Medical College.
Stop that!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Director General Medical Services Army.
एक निरीक्षण अधिकारी को परेड के निरीक्षण के लिए आमंत्रित करेंगे।
जय श्रीमान 103 मेडिकल कैडेट आयोग जाट परेड पर परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। जय श्रीमान आयोग जाट परेड विक्रम।
निरीक्षण अधिकारी के साथ हैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल नरदीप नैथानी और परेड कमांडर मेडिकल कैडेट अखिल मैथ्यू। निरीक्षण अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण प्रक्रिया है जिसके द्वारा परेड का मुआयना किया जाता है।
The relieving officer is now crossing the Prerna Memorial towards the left of the parade ground, a monument in honor of all those martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the country and the people. The memorial has been built as a tribute to the alumni of the Armed Forces Medical College.
Medical cadets will be commissioned into the armed forces today, of which 80 will join the Indian Army, 12 will be commissioned into the Indian Air Force, and 11 will become part of Indian Navy.
The colors of the Army Medical Corps are dull cherry red, black, and old gold. Dull cherry has the historical importance of being the distinguished color of the Royal Army Medical Corps as well as the medical services of many other countries.
Black is the color of Mahakali, mother of the universe and destroyer of evil. Gold represents the mystical and healing powers of the sun, which is said to cure all ills.
Cherry red is the symbolizer of life and vitality. Together, these three colors signify the triumph of the noble art of medicine over the evil of disease. They epitomize the core motto, Sarve Santu Niramaya, meaning, may all be free from disease and disability.
Now, the companies will march in formation along with the band in front of the dais and salute the reviewing officer.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब परेड कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा की धुन पर मार्च करती हुई आगे बढ़ रही है। ये वे अनमोल शब्द हैं जिसमें देशभक्ति तथा देश के प्रति आत्मसम्मान के उच्च कोटि के भावों को पिरोया गया है। ये शब्द हमारे तथा आज आयोगदान प्राप्त करने वाले प्रत्येक मेडिकल कैडेट के मन में देश के प्रति गौरव एवं निष्ठा का भाव जगाते हैं।
The companies are now crossing the Prerna Memorial located to the left of the parade ground.
Leading the parade with elegance is the parade commander, Medical Cadet Akhil Matthews.
The parade commander is followed by Company 1, led by Medical Cadet Neerav Singh Tanwar.
Next is Company 2, led by Medical Cadet Anubhuti Shrivastava.
Following them is Company 3, led by Medical Cadet Ankur Sharma.
Next, we have Company 4, led by Medical Cadet Saurabh Roy.
Next up is the band, led by Bandmaster Naib Subedar Rajendra Singh.
समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़ेगा। मस्जिद से 10 चल। आयोगदान परेड Take!
The parade commander will now request the reviewing officer to commission them into the respective services.
जय श्रीमान 103 मेडिकल कैडेट आए उद्यान परेड पर परेड आपके आरक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। जय श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, finally, the proud moment we have all been waiting for has arrived.
वो क्षण आ गया है जिसका हम सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार था और अब 103 मेडिकल कैडेट निरीक्षण अधिकारी से आयोगदान प्राप्त करेंगे।
Medical Cadet Akhil Matthew.
लेफ्टिनेंट अखिल मैथ्यू।
Medical Cadet Neerav Singh Tanwar.
लेफ्टिनेंट नीरव सिंह तंवर।
Medical Cadet Rohan Kumar Sharma.
लेफ्टिनेंट रोहन कुमार शर्मा।
Medical Cadet Ashok Goyal.
लेफ्टिनेंट अशोक गोयल।
Medical Cadet Arpit Sharma.
लेफ्टिनेंट अर्पित शर्मा।
Medical Cadet Gayatri Duhan.
सर्जन सब लेफ्टिनेंट गायत्री दुहन।
Medical Cadet Mahima Pandey.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर महिमा पांडे।
Medical Cadet Pranav Thakkar. Medical Cadet Pranav. Medical Cadet Ravi Chaudhary.
लेफ्टिनेंट रवि चौधरी।
Medical Cadet Ambarkar.
लेफ्टिनेंट अंबरगर।
Medical Cadet Anant Krishna Verma.
लेफ्टिनेंट अनंत कृष्ण वर्मा।
Medical Cadet Shubhankar Sharma.
लेफ्टिनेंट शुभांकर शर्मा।
Medical Cadet V. Vivek.
लेफ्टिनेंट बी विवेक।
Medical Cadet Bhavya Agarwal.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर भव्य अग्रवाल।
Medical Cadet Krishna S. Nair.
सर्जन सब लेफ्टिनेंट कृष्णा एस नायर।
Medical Cadet Murli Singh Tewatia.
लेफ्टिनेंट मुरली सिंह तेवतिया।
Medical Cadet Abhelamba.
लेफ्टिनेंट अभय लांबा।
Medical Cadet Pradeep Tripathi.
लेफ्टिनेंट प्रतीक त्रिपाठी।
Medical Cadet Prakhar Prashant Nathu.
लेफ्टिनेंट प्रखर प्रशांत नातू।
Medical Cadet Shantanu.
लेफ्टिनेंट शांतनु।
Medical Cadet Stephen Sebastian.
लेफ्टिनेंट स्टीफन सेबेस्टियन।
Medical Cadet
लेफ्टिनेंट अगस्त्य मिश्रा। लेफ्टिनेंट अपूर्वानंद। फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर बेंचर जॉन सैम्यूल।
Medical Cadet Piyush Kumar.
लेफ्टिनेंट पीयूष कुमार।
Medical Cadet Mohit Singh.
लेफ्टिनेंट मोहित सिंह।
Medical Cadet Anubhuti Srivastava.
लेफ्टिनेंट अनुभूति श्रीवास्तव।
Medical Cadet Jones Anthony.
सर्जन सब लेफ्टिनेंट जोन्स एंटनी।
Medical Cadet Shant Raman.
लेफ्टिनेंट निशांत रमन।
Medical Cadet Parul Sharma.
लेफ्टिनेंट पारुल शर्मा।
Medical Cadet Maya Vishwanath.
लेफ्टिनेंट माया विश्वनाथ।
Medical Cadet Suryansh Saraf.
लेफ्टिनेंट सूर्यांश सराफ।
Medical Cadet Naveen K. Devdas.
लेफ्टिनेंट नवीन के देवदास।
Medical Cadet Devesh Kumar Sharma.
लेफ्टिनेंट देवेश कुमार शर्मा।
Medical Cadet Siddharth Nayak.
लेफ्टिनेंट सिद्धार्थ नायक।
Medical Cadet Shubham Shukla.
सर्जन सब लेफ्टिनेंट शुभम शुक्ला। लेफ्टिनेंट संदीप भट्ट।
Medical Cadet Arindam Bhattacharya.
लेफ्टिनेंट औरिंदम भट्टाचार्य।
Medical Cadet Pranshu Agarwal.
लेफ्टिनेंट रांचू अग्रवाल।
Medical Cadet Rani Kaur.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर रणी गौर।
Medical Cadet Vaishali Singh.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर वैशाली सिंघल।
Medical Cadet Varun Sankhyan.
लेफ्टिनेंट वरुण सांख्यान।
Medical Cadet Aditya Rana.
लेफ्टिनेंट आदित्य राणा।
Medical Cadet Dinesh Ghotia.
लेफ्टिनेंट दिनेश घोटिया।
Medical Cadet Dharamveer Singh.
लेफ्टिनेंट धर्मवीर सिंह।
Medical Cadet Rahul Ranjan Mandal.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर राहुल रंजन मंडल।
Medical Cadet Varsha Ranjan.
लेफ्टिनेंट वर्षा रेंजर।
Medical Cadet Sankalp Singh Dev.
लेफ्टिनेंट संकल्प सिंह देव।
Medical Cadet Rishabh Shukla.
फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर ऋषभ शुक्ला।
Medical Cadet Tushar Jain.
लेफ्टिनेंट शारजैन।
Medical Cadet Nihar Duddu.
लेफ्टिनेंट निहार दुड्डू।
मेडिकल कैडेट अंकुर शर्मा।
लेफ्टिनेंट अंकुश शर्मा।
मेडिकल कैडेट ऋत्विक।
लेफ्टिनेंट ऋत्विक।
मेडिकल कैडेट विपुल अग्रवाल।
लेफ्टिनेंट विपुल अग्रवाल।
मेडिकल कैडेट अनुकृति खरे।
लेफ्टिनेंट अनुकृति खरे।
मेडिकल कैडेट
लेफ्टिनेंट मृणालिनी सिंह।
मेडिकल कैडेट निहारिका त्यागी।
लेफ्टिनेंट निहारिका त्यागी।
मेडिकल कैडेट हर्षद बजाज।
लेफ्टिनेंट हर्षित बजाज।
मेडिकल कैडेट आशुतोष त्रिपाठी।
लेफ्टिनेंट आशुतोष त्रिपाठी।
Medical Cadet Rishabh Arora.
Lieutenant Rishabh Arora.
Medical Cadet Shantanu Khanna.
Flying Officer Shantanu Khanna.
Medical Cadet Atul Padmanabhan.
Lieutenant Atul Padmanabhan.
Medical Cadet Prashant Gupta.
Lieutenant Prashant Gupta.
Medical Cadet Abhay Garg.
Lieutenant Abhay Garg.
Medical Cadet Jyoti Paliwal.
Lieutenant Jyoti Paliwal.
Medical Cadet Aditya Kumar.
Lieutenant Aditya Kumar.
Medical Cadet Adil Hamid.
Lieutenant Adil Hamid.
Medical Cadet Kanav Sharma.
Lieutenant Kanav Sharma.
Medical Cadet Rishabh Singh.
Lieutenant Rishabh Singh.
Medical Cadet Ajul Babu VNM.
Lieutenant Ajul Babu VNM.
Medical Cadet Ahalya Arvind.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Ahalya Arvind.
Medical Cadet Aditya Saxena.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Aditya Saxena.
Medical Cadet Anshuman Singh.
Lieutenant Anshuman Singh.
Medical Cadet Kamendra Sharma.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Kamendra Sharma.
Medical Cadet Hardik Sahi.
Flying Officer Hardik Sahi.
Medical Cadet Ashish Tiwari.
Lieutenant Ashish Tiwari.
Medical Cadet Saurabh Roy.
Lieutenant Saurabh Roy.
Medical Cadet Erawat Singh Bhadauria.
Lieutenant Erawat Singh Bhadauria.
Medical Cadet Adarsh Patel.
Lieutenant Adarsh Patel.
Medical Cadet Mohit Kumar Fogart.
Lieutenant Mohit Kumar Fogart.
Medical Cadet Manisha Sharma.
Lieutenant Manisha Sharma.
Medical Cadet Suman Kumar.
Lieutenant Suman Kumari.
Medical Cadet Nishad Singh Roha.
Lieutenant Nishad Singh Roha.
Medical Cadet Amruta Kanu Kolanu.
Lieutenant Amruta Kanu Kolanu. Flying Officer Prabhat Arora.
Medical Cadet Akshita Srivastav.
Lieutenant Akshita Srivastav.
Medical Cadet Vasundhara Mishra.
Lieutenant Vasundhara Mishra.
Medical Cadet Mukesh Kumar.
Lieutenant Mukesh Kumar.
Medical Cadet Rohit Kumar.
Lieutenant Rohit Kumar.
Medical Cadet Vibhor Taggar.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Vibhor Taggar.
Medical Cadet Drishti Rajpal.
Lieutenant Drishti Rajpal.
Medical Cadet Shubham Brahmbhat.
Lieutenant Shubham Brahmbhat.
Medical Cadet Orithro Ray.
Flying Officer Orithro Ray.
Medical Cadet Arnab Sen Gupta.
Flying Officer Arnab Sen Gupta.
Medical Cadet Prashant Jadam.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Prashant Jadhav.
Medical Cadet Agastya Gupta.
Lieutenant Agastya Gupta.
Medical Cadet Shilpak Joseph Peter.
Lieutenant Shilpak Joseph Peter.
Medical Cadet Vishnu PR.
Lieutenant Vishnu PR.
Medical Cadet V. Prithviraj.
Lieutenant B. Prithviraj.
Medical Cadet Abhishek Bhatnagar.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Abhishek Bhatnagar.
Medical Cadet Thayu Manavan.
Surgeon Sub Lieutenant Thayu Manavan.
Medical Cadet Suman Kumar.
Lieutenant Suman Kumar.
Medical Cadet Gaurav Kumar.
Lieutenant Gaurav Kumar.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just had the rare privilege of witnessing the only tri-service commissioning in the country, conducted exclusively by the Armed Forces Medical Services at Armed Forces Medical College, Pune.
अलंकृत परेड सैल्यूट करेगा जनरल सैल्यूट फ्लैग
Hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established and that I will as in duty bound honestly and faithfully serve in the regular armed forces of the Union of India and go wherever ordered by land, sea or air, and that I will observe and obey all the commands of the President of the Union of India, and the commands of any officer, set above me, even to the peril of my life. Jai Hind!
जय श्रीमान अलंकृत परेड आपके अभिभाषण के लिए हाजिर है। जय श्रीमान। अलंकृत परेड वीर राव।
General Nardeep Nathani, Director and Commandant, the Armed Forces Medical College. General Flag and Air Officers are revered Air Marshal D.P. Joshi, Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, former DG FMS, and my mentor are revered senior veterans, esteemed faculty and medical officers who have just had the honor of being commissioned. I will commence by paying my reverential obeisance to our great, peerless and prestigious institution, which is a one of its kind, the Armed Forces Medical College, and also its affiliated hospitals and centers. I also salute and pay a tribute to not just Captain Sandeep Sharma, Kirti Chakra, but all the gallant and late alumni who've sacrificed their lives and gave their tomorrow for our nations today. It is indeed and will always remain a cherished privilege to be bestowed with this unique honor to review the passing out parade of the B3 batch. A fortnight before I walk into the sunset after almost 4 decades of a soul-enriching journey of soldiering and healing. On behalf of the Director General Armed Forces Medical Services and Senior Colonel Commandant and the AFMS Healthcare Fraternity, we heartily congratulate each one of you as you metamorphose from being medical cadets of the Armed Forces Medical College to become competent and capable doctors of the Indian Armed Forces Medical Services. Today, when you cross this Rubicon as commissioned officers and march out from the sacred premises of our college and the hallowed portals of this parade ground, the nation, the Armed Forces and the Armed Forces Medical Services compliments you on your decision to join one of the oldest and the finest corps and the organization of our elite armed forces. Service in the armed forces is not just a job, a profession, or if I can trespass into Raj Bhasha, a dhanda, a pesha, or for that matter, a career. It is and shall always remain a calling, and this calling enshrines the ultimate and the most acid test of healing and soldiering with resolute commitment, steadfast tenacity, tireless zeal, dauntless courage, and the ability to surpass conventional benchmarks and thresholds and limits of human endurance. I must also highlight that you will be privileged to join the AFMS, which is a unique and the pioneering tri-services organization, the first of its kind and also the largest organized healthcare service in the country. It enshrines the harmonious confluence and synergy between complex operational medical support imperatives to fulfill the onerous responsibility of being empathetic, caring, and proficient doctors, as also true soldiers, true sailors, and true air warriors. We in the AFMS have the distinction of being quantum force multipliers as dedicated 365 into 24 into 7. And since this is a leap year, in 2020, it will be 366 into 24 into 7 healthcare providers. So your journey in service will take you to the diversely heterogeneous settings, from peace locations in hospitals and MI rooms to the theatre of operations and war, from the counterinsurgency or counterterrorism environment to the internal security duties, border deployments, low-intensity conflict. And your generation will see more of proxy, asymmetric and hybrid warfare in hostile terrains as also in inclement weather and climatic conditions. You will also be required to participate meaningfully and promptly in disaster relief, humanitarian aid and UN missions. You will be called upon to ensure, nurture and mentor as also conserve the combat strength and morale of the armed forces by providing high quality healthcare with empathy to our combatants, the veterans and their family members. Commissioning, as associated with this passing out, it is just not a mere ceremony or a celebration thereof. It is a landmark and defining moment in your lives and your careers. So this milestone has to be richly earned so that you deserve the Honorable President's commission granted to you today, along with the trust and faith of your patients and the human resources at your disposal. By the values of diligence, discipline, dynamism and dedication, which should be enshrined in word, action and deed as also in letter and spirit. By embracing the service ethos with your heart and your soul and your conscience, and I'll come to the conscience later. As commissioned medical officers, you will have to enshrine and uphold the highest benchmarks of pan-spectral excellence, not just in the professional, academic, clinical arena, but as an officer and worthy of a leader of your troops. By imbibing the core values of integrity, loyalty, credibility, humility, and not to forget the healing touch as a compassionate caregiver. You will be the ambassadors of our unique Armed Forces Medical Colleges, and you will be expected to uphold its highest traditions. And also, you will be required to ensure that the rich legacy of the more than 2 centuries and 5 decades of the Army Medical Corps is upheld at all times. We do feel for your parents and members of your family who must be disappointed as they could not be present here this morning. We also understand that it would not go down well with you as well. But you must understand that from a preventive healthcare perspective, it is best to realize that their absence may be a blessing because of the travel restrictions and due to the exposure to the novel coronavirus. And as you know that the COVID-19 has been declared a global pandemic, so it will have serious implications on humankind. So their absence here they are here with you in their heart, mind and soul, and they will continue to bless you. I take this opportunity to offer our heartiest felicitations and compliments to your parents and your family members, and gratefully acknowledge your parents' sacrifices, their praiseworthy role in bringing you up, in supporting you, and in encouraging you, and in inculcating the values in you. We are confident that you will feel proud that they will feel proud to learn of their bright children who blossom into outstanding professionals, proficient officers, and exceptional human beings in the years to come. A word about sanskar and character. There is no equivalent translation to sanskar, so I will just put it as character and ethos and value systems. So to quote William Shakespeare, when you have to hold sanskars, values, character and value systems together, then it's important to link your conscience with it. Apne zamir, apni antaratma ko jodiye. To quote William Shakespeare, this above all, to thine own self be true. By thine own self, he means one's conscience. This above all, to thine own self be true, it must follow as night and the day. Thou cannot be then false to any man. Unquote. The Armed Forces is delighted to embrace you into its fold and provide you unparalleled opportunities to serve our great nation. As also fulfill your professional and academic aspirations, you have a much higher chance and possibility and probability factors of becoming postgraduates than your civilian counterparts, because post-graduation seats are much more than what they are for the rest of the doctors who would be taking the exams. But you must also appreciate that the 21st century has brought about a paradigm shift in healthcare and health support systems, from planning and coordination to its execution in a highly advanced technology-enabled environment, which each one of you should be geared up for and imbibe. We are sanguine that with the outstanding grooming and professional training that you have received at AFMC, you will stand tall in the face of such challenges and will prove your mettle whenever and wherever you are called upon by the nation, the armed forces, or the Armed Forces Medical Services. The AFMS Healthcare Fraternity joins me to convey our appreciation and compliments to the Director and the Commandant, along with the Dean and Deputy Commandant, for their inspirational leadership, as also acknowledge the role of the distinguished faculty of this our Armed Forces Medical College. It is your dedication, zeal, passion and professionalism that makes AFMC such an outstanding cradle of learning, which transforms young medical cadets to smart, competent medical officers who will be the future pillars and anchors of our Armed Forces Medical Services. We are sanguine that you have made optimum investments as role models in mentoring and nurturing the leadership qualities, the vitals, the keys, the ethics, the morals, the knowledge, the skills, the scruples and the values in each one of the newly commissioned officers, as also the ones which will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, it's important to understand, and this is particularly for the newly commissioned officers, remember, the journey of life and the journey of service is much more important than your destination. So please invest in taking your journey forward with the best that you can give to the service, to the corps and to the nation. So this will also entail that the challenging paradigms and emerging environment which you will have to respond to. Ensure that the values of professional competence, uprightness, moral courage and ethical convictions ingrained in you in this sacred institution shall hold you in good stead forever for times to come. We, in the entire Armed Forces Medical Services Healthcare Fraternity, are supremely confident that each one of you newly commissioned officers of the B3 batch will uphold the highest and the noblest traditions of the Armed Forces, the Armed Forces Medical Services, and achieve great success and high benchmarks of excellence in your professional careers. In your new innings. We wish you all the very best. We wish you happiness, success, satisfaction, achievements, many happy and illustrious laurels and momentous milestones in life ahead. May God bless you and be with you through your journey in the truly very rich and highly acclaimed Armed Forces Medical Services. Jai Hind.
Alagrid Parade! Saavdhan! Alagrid Parade! Salute karega! General salute! Salute! Alagrid Parade! Dynamite चलेगा! Dynamite bug! Alagrid Parade! दोनों की जोड़ी पे Dynamite step! धीरे चल!
अब परेड छाना बिलौरी की धुन पर दो के जोड़ों में धीमी गति से ड्रिल स्क्वायर से बाहर मार्च करेगी। ये गीत निश्चित रूप से परेड के हर सदस्य को उनके कॉलेज के दिनों की याद दिलाएगा, जो अब समाप्त हो चुके हैं।
They stepped in as medical cadets and now they proudly march out of here as officers ready to take on the world. Lieutenant Anubhuti Srivastav.
Lieutenant Ankur Sharma.
Lieutenant Neerav Singh Tanwar.
Lieutenant Saurabh Roy.
Lieutenant Siddharth Nayak.
Lieutenant Ritvik.
Lieutenant Devesh Kumar Sharma.
Lieutenant Vipul Agrawal.
Lieutenant Naveen K. Devdas.
Lieutenant Anukriti Khare.
Lieutenant Suryan Saraf.
Lieutenant Vinay Singh.
Lieutenant Vayan Vishwanath.
Lieutenant Niharika Tyagi.
Lieutenant Parul Sharma.
Lieutenant Harshit Bajaj.
Lieutenant Nishant Raman.
Lieutenant Ashutosh Tripathi.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Jones Anthony.
Lieutenant Rishabh Arora.
Lieutenant Ambar Garg.
Lieutenant Arawat Singh Bhadoria.
Lieutenant Ravi Chaudhary.
Lieutenant Adarsh Patel.
Lieutenant Pranav Thakkar.
Lieutenant Mohit Kumar Pogad.
Flying Officer Mahima Pandey.
Lieutenant Manisha Sharma.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Gayatri Duhan.
Lieutenant Suman Kumari.
Lieutenant Arpit Sharma.
Lieutenant Vishal Singh Roha.
Lieutenant Ashok Goyal.
Lieutenant Amruta Kandukolanu.
Lieutenant Rohan Kumar Sharma.
Flying Officer Prabhat Arora.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Shubham Shukla.
Lieutenant Pranav Sharma.
Lieutenant Sandeep Bhatt.
Lieutenant Adil Hamid.
Lieutenant Arindam Bhattacharya.
Lieutenant Aditya Kumar.
Lieutenant Pranshu Agrawal.
Lieutenant Jyoti Paliwal.
Flying Officer Praneet Kaur.
Lieutenant Abhay Garg.
Flying Officer Vaishali Singhal.
Lieutenant Prashant Gupta.
Lieutenant Varun Sangthan.
Lieutenant Atul Padmanabhan.
Lieutenant Aditya Rana.
Flying Officer Shantanu Khanna.
Lieutenant Ananta Krishna Verma.
Sergeant Sub-Lieutenant Prashant Jadhav.
Lieutenant Shubhankar Sharma.
Flying Officer Arnav Sen Gupta.
Lieutenant V. Vivek.
Flying Officer Audit Ray.
Flying Officer Bhavya Agarwal.
Lieutenant Shubham Brahmbhatt.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Krishna S. Nair.
Lieutenant Drishti Rajpal.
Lieutenant Murli Singh Tevatia.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Vibhor Thakkar.
Lieutenant Abhay Lamba.
Lieutenant Rohit Kumar.
Lieutenant Prateek Tripathi.
Lieutenant Mukesh Kumar.
Lieutenant Nihar Duttu.
Lieutenant Rishabh Singh.
Lieutenant Tushar Jain.
Lieutenant Ajul Babu VNL.
Flying Officer Rishabh Shukla.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Ahilya Aravind.
Lieutenant Sankalp Singh Dev.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Aditya Saxena.
Lieutenant Varsha Ranjan.
Lieutenant Anshuman Singh.
Flying Officer Rahul Ranjan Mandal.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Kamendra Sharma.
Lieutenant Dharamveer Singh.
Flying Officer Hardik Sahi.
Lieutenant Dinesh Khotia.
Lieutenant Ashish Tiwari.
Lieutenant Mohit Singh.
Lieutenant Agastya Gupta.
Lieutenant Piyush Kumar.
Lieutenant Shilpak Joseph Peter.
Flying Officer Sancho John Samuel.
Lieutenant Vishnu PR.
Lieutenant Apurva Anand.
Lieutenant V. Prithviraj.
Lieutenant Agastya Mishra.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Abhishek Bhatnagar.
Lieutenant Stephen Sebastian.
Surgeon Sub-Lieutenant Thayu Manavan.
Lieutenant Shantanu.
Lieutenant Suman Kumar.
Lieutenant Prakhar Prasad Nathu.
Lieutenant Gaurav Kumar.
Lieutenant Akshata Srivastav.
Lieutenant Vasundhara Mishra. And the parade commander, Lieutenant Akhil Matthew.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's commissioning ceremony and we convey our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Lieutenant General R.S. Grewal, Director General, Medical Services Army, for gracing this occasion. On this blessed day, I read out a message on behalf of a B3 batch parent, and I quote, "Today, you are the final product walking out, young adults of highest character, all set to serve the nation with perseverance, integrity and courage, using your knowledge in the best tradition of the services. True, the grandeur of parade is scaled down, the gung-ho enthusiasm muted, but that does not take away from you the hard work, the dedication shown by all of you in the past 4.5 years. Go, look at your rivals into the eye, conquer them, and show the world you have been trained in spirit as much as in intellect. All of you are leaders in your own right. All is right if the intent is honorable. Yes, there may be times when you lose, but these will also be the opportunities to learn. Enjoy your task, as happiness is health, and laugh when the life tries to pull you into despair. Look up to your mentors when in dark. They are your leading lights. Go ahead, B3, march. March into sunshine, glory and health. May you live long, and so also the tradition called Armed Forces Medical College. Jai Hind. Unquote.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we bring to you casualty heli evacuation by helicopter. During any operation, it is obvious that there would invariably be casualties. While the casualties are moved and treated in the due course of time, there may be casualties which requires immediate evacuation for urgent medical assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, this sort of casualty evacuation by Army Aviation in coordination with Army Medical Corps has saved countless lives, not only in times of war, but also in the entire gamut of operations that the Indian Army is involved in, including humanitarian aid to civil authorities.
Today, the Cheetah helicopter of Army Aviation will demonstrate how a casualty is evacuated quickly from such hostile environments and surfaces untenable for the landing of helicopters. This will be done through a live winching operation during which the helicopter will maintain a steady and remarkable prolonged hover whilst the casualty is winched up into the helicopter using a special harness. The Cheetah helicopter today will be piloted by Lieutenant Colonel Amit Dadwal, co-piloted by Captain Manan Pandya of 36 Independent Recce and Observation Flight, also known as the Daring Hawk. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your right. You will see the all-time great Cheetah helicopter approaching. The Cheetah helicopter has been specially modified for this role of search and rescue operations with medical support on board. The light, agile, and the power-packed helicopter has conducted this operation from the icy heights of Siachen Glacier to the dense and inhospitable jungles of the eastern states, saving priceless lives and earning glory. Where no aircraft dares, where no birds flutter, when all hopes have shattered, the mighty Cheetah comes to the rescue. It's truly been an angel to many.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present to you the AMC Bagpipe Band. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to an end of the 54th commissioning ceremony of the Armed Forces Medical College. And last but not the least, the drill instructors for this event who are responsible for the spectacular parade are Subedar Jai Prakash, Naib Subedar G.S. Verma, CHM Satish, Havaldar C.P. Yadav, Havaldar S.C. Yadav, Lance Naik Sheikh and Sepoy B.R. Prajapati.